Good morning, students. I hope you all are safe and sound at home. Once again, I am back with the first chapter in our economics textbook. Today, we will learn about the topic income and other criteria. Without wasting much time, let us focus on the first point. So, for achieving development goal of people not only want better income, they also want non-material things like freedom, security, and respect of others. So, when we were studying about income and other goals, we have seen these things. That means people not only look for good job, but other than that they also look for different things. That means the different goals as well, that is non-material things. Just we have seen like freedom, security, and respect at the workplace. For development of a nation, average income or per capita income is needed. That means for the development of any country, the average income or the per capita income is needed. So look at the table here. Some of the selected states are given and their per capita income as well. So the first we have here is Haryana. So Haryana, here we can see that Haryana's per capita income for 2015-16 in rupees was 1,62,034 rupees, and in the case of Kerala we had 1,40,190 rupees, and in the case of Bihar we had just 31,454. So if per capita income were to be used as the measure of development, Haryana will be considered the most developed and Bihar the least developed state of the three. However, this is not true if we look at the other criteria. That's why income and other criteria we have the topic here. That means when we compare these three states, if we consider that the development of a country depends on the income, then Haryana will be considered as the most developed country, most developed, not the country, most developed nation, most developed state. Whereas Bihar will be considered as the least developed state. But it is not true, because we will look for the other criteria. Like you look at the second table here, the comparative data on Haryana, Kerala, and Bihar, the same three states here as well. So states are given infant mortality rate per 1,000 live births, that is the data from 2016. The second we have the literacy rate in percentage in 2011, net attendance ratio per 100 persons, secondary stage, that is age 14 and 15 years, and it is taken from the survey of 2013 and 14. So you can look at the table here. So Haryana, the infant mortality rate was 33 and the literacy rate was 82 and net attendance ratio was 61. Kerala had 10 infant mortality, 94% literacy rate, net attendance ratio was 83. Bihar had 38 infant mortality ratio rate and 62 literacy rate, and net attendance ratio was 43%. That means literacy rate Literacy rate is the number of people above 7 years of age who are able to read and write with understanding. Higher the literacy rate, more developed a state will be. India has a literacy rate of 64%. Kerala has the highest literacy rate and Bihar has the lowest. The second point we have infant mortality rate. Infant mortality rate is the number of children that die before attaining 1 year of age as a proportion of 1000 live births in a year. It indicates the development of health facilities in a country. In India, Kerala has the lowest infant mortality rate while Bihar has the highest. The next we have here is net attendance ratio. So net attendance ratio is the total number of children of age group 14 and 15 years attending school as a percentage of total number of children in the same age group. So in this table, the columns show that in Kerala, out of 1000 children born, 12 died before completing 1 year of age, but in Haryana, the proportion of children dying within 1 year of birth was 36, which is 2 times more than that of Kerala. This number is 44 in Bihar. Literacy rate in Kerala is 94%, which is higher than Haryana. That is, Haryana is having 82% and Bihar only 62%. The last columns show that in Kerala, 83 children out of 100 aged group 14 to 15 years are not attending school beyond class 8, which is greater than Haryana, that is 61, and Bihar only 43. So this is the data we have, and this is the thing we have to see when we study income and other criteria. So everything is not all about earning income, but other than income we have to look for the other criteria, that means the other goals as well. So everything is not all about earning the income. We have to look at all round development of a country or the states. I hope you have understood the topic. And if you have any doubts regarding, please let me know. For time being, thank you and have a great day.